bought and tested these TAILI bags. They're moving and storage bags. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about them. Been using them for a little bit now. All my summer clothing is in here. Don't judge my style, please. I'm going to show you exactly how much fits inside here. There is still room for more, and literally everything you could possibly want to know about these. They do come in different colors and styles, so if you're not digging this color, don't worry about that. So right off the bat, this is exactly what it looks like. If you want to clean, this is water resistant, so if something's spilled on here, no big deal. This is going to be great for holiday decorations, pillows, blankets, comforter sets. If you have like a springish summer set and then also a winter set, you could just swap these out. This is great for that. This could hold up to 130 pounds. You will get a 4-pack of these. They have other different packs. Absolutely love these things. A couple things. So we got a nice little clear thing right over here so you can see exactly what is inside. Now you're saying, oh, this slot is too small to see everything. Well, they have a slot right over here with a little piece of paper. You could write whatever you're putting in this. It is double-sided, so if you want to, let's just say maybe summer clothes, there's on the outside of here. Well, maybe the back side, I take the summer out, is going to say winter. Then I can just flip that around and put that in there. This way I know exactly what is going on. Very, very nice material on this. Super durable. You got these 2 straps right over here. This one you can't really put over your shoulder, but you could just carry it like this. You can carry this like this if you wanted to, or you could take the other side and just grab it like this, and it's super easy. The straps on this are really, really nice, and like I said, you could easily use this for storage, decoration, stuff like that. This is like our 3rd set of these. We also use them. We have like garland and stuff that we put outside around the arc of our house, and we just store that in here. We don't have to worry about this bag at all. Now, in terms of how this bag works. So you have zippers right up top over here. You got 2 zippers. So you could either go all the way around over here, or if you want to meet up in the middle and zip it in the middle, you could do that. Now, in terms of storage, I am not a good folder. This is what it kind of looks like full right over here. So there's still plenty of space in here to put everything that I need in here. So let's kind of take some of this out right over here. These are all kind of my t-shirts right over here. We also have more. I'm just going to kind of spoil it. I'm not going to waste your time and count all this out. There's about 75 pieces of clothing in here. It ranges from t-shirts to shorts, even the shorts that like take up more space right over here, like big bulky shorts, got all those in there. Like, look at this mountain of clothing right over here that all fit in here. This is great for taking stuff to the dorm. If you're taking people there, extra clothing storage. This is what it looks like on the inside now. So this is exactly what it looks like inside. Again, you get that nice clear pocket. This does fold over just like this. And when you're done with these do fold up. So you could just easily zip this just like that, and you're good to go. Now, loading these up is super easy as well. You could also use these. We haven't. Our laundry is downstairs. I just thought about it. We could put laundry in here from upstairs if we wanted to. I'm not sure my girlfriend would be thrilled about that. But you could just see here, I'm not gonna fold it, but it's just easy to load. Just like that, just put them in right over here. Super flexible to put in there. I do like this for clothing, blankets, everything like that. There are some blankets right over here. You can see right over here, we got 2 blankets. You can literally just put them in right over here. You'll see right in a second. That is kind of what 2 blankets look like. Get probably another 2 blankets in there. So you probably do like 4, 4, and 4 for like a total of 16. Really like these a lot. They're super durable. Great for pretty much anything. Holiday decorations, clothing, as you saw here. Again, get about, I would say total, you could probably get about 100 pieces of clothing in here. Like I said, out of a mix of shorts, shirts, pretty much everything that you can imagine, and still had more room with the 75 pieces. So I think 100 would fit comfortably. Again, you got the double zipper over here. You got this clear ID tag right over here. And of course you got the clear middle. So if you're looking for some great moving / storage bags, you really can't go wrong with these. They do come in all different colors. So I hope you found this helpful and you find the right storage and moving bag for you. Give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful.